The province has confirmed Dr. Mark Joffe is out, and Alberta is now without a top doctor. Joffe held the role for 2.5 years, but Monday his contract ended. It's not clear if the province declined to renew it or if he quit. It comes at the same time AHS is issuing a public alert about a measles case in the Calgary zone. Tim Brooke reports.
Dr. Mark Joffe was appointed as Dr. Dina Hinshaw's successor in 2022, and when he became Chief Medical Officer of Health, his contract was meant to last until the health minister rescinded his appointment or until he quit. One of those things played out Monday, but it's unclear which.
This government's consistent interference and gag orders have been restricting the CMOH office from doing their important work.
Joffe's time spent in the job, at least publicly, was under the radar. He had limited media appearances and wasn't as outwardly vocal as previous top doctors. Now, as a measles outbreak hits our province, Alberta doesn't have a key voice on public health, and there isn't even someone taking over in the interim.
The local medical officer of health is the one who is taking the lead on making sure that there is information available.
The government and AHS won't say what happened or if the measles issue and messaging has anything to do with it.
We have made sure that everyone knows how they can get their measles vaccine. You can call 811. There's lots of opportunity.
Alberta has reported 77 measles cases total, behind only Ontario. One of those patients was here last week.
I have a nephew at home, a little 1-month-old baby, and I have a 2-year-old as well at home, so I'm a little bit worried.
For many students, it's all so new and confusing.
Well, I don't know if I'm concerned or not because I've never seen a measles case.
It's off-putting a little bit.
Experts say it's times like these where the Chief Medical Officer of Health is especially needed.
Clear, straight, strong message that's centralized and visible is something that is helpful to people because not everyone pays attention to the same sources of information.
The province says a search for Joffe's permanent replacement has begun.
And Tim joins us now. Tim, AHS has issued a public alert warning for this measles case in the Calgary zone.
Well, yes, Tara, the worry here is that a lot of other people could have been put at risk between April 6th and the 11th. Now, the potential exposures happened here at Del Mar College, as well as in Canmore at the Save On Foods, and then in Banff at the Lux Cinema, at the Bull Valley 5-Pin, and at the Fairmont Hotel. We'll put a full list of those locations and exact dates on our website for a little bit more information. Now, anyone who might have been there at those times, who was born in 1970 or later, and who doesn't have 2 doses of a measles-containing vaccine are urged to monitor their symptoms. And then, Tara, if those symptoms progressed, they're asked to reach out to a health professional.
Okay, Tim, thank you.